Yeah, boy.
Princess! Ooh.
Yell.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Like somebody else gets me frustrated.
Are you kidding me, Parker? Get down.
Stop! Stop!
There's nothing there. What's wrong with I think I'll do a wraparound. We'll wrap around.
And take you in. Okay? Come on. Are you part dog?
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist? Stop the music. Oh my God!
Give me a high five. Thanks. You got some right here.
I just think she's scared of being abandoned.
The choice is yours.
Ja, ga niet bij zo blijven, want wat we daar...
You're happy and you know I clap your hands.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
Can you hold on?
Ellie, what do we say when it's time for breakfast? Yahoo! You.
What? What?
I promise. It's okay. Hello.
Go, go.
Say what?
Just say what?